Is the Tesla Model S Track Plaid capable of matching the Nelson Ledges track record for a production car of 1 minute and 6 seconds? I'm SS Bob, and I'll answer that here on The Sound of Speed. This is the first day of our private track testing session for our Tesla Model S Track Plaid at the Nelson Ledges Road Course in Garrettsville, Ohio. Our Track Plaid delivers 1,020 horsepower, 1,050 foot-pounds of torque, has all-wheel drive with the largest carbon ceramic brake discs available and used on jet aircraft, and software updates enabling 205 miles an hour in about 15 to 16 seconds, similar to the Bugatti Chiron. Now watch the Tesla rear view GoPro as Paul Hamm, a National Auto Sport Association GTS3 champ, pilots our Tesla Model S Track Plaid around the Nelson Ledges 2-mile, 13-turn track, hitting almost 150 miles an hour on the front straight and over 160 miles an hour on the back straight. For reference, the fastest Nelson Ledges lap for a street production supercar is 1 minute and 6 seconds set by a Viper ACR. If you consider a Radical SR8 a street legal supercar, it's even 3 seconds faster. Finally, a 2024 C8 Z06 Z07 equipped with Michelin Pro racing slicks and full track alignment does approximately 1 minute and 7 seconds. Paul says this Tesla will do 1 minute and 5 seconds on full race tires. It's no surprise then that this car did 720s on the Nürburgring in Germany. It's just an awesome performance value. Tesla Plaid straight line speed is legendary, but now we have proof this car is a beast on road courses as well.
I did a 10, but it was a terrible lap. We were gonna run a 9 or an 8, a high 8. I bet you it was a high 8 when it shut off, till all of a sudden there was no power. You know, we talk about Hoosiers. I would say that car would be a 5. You'd run a TA2 time in that car.
What?
With a set of Hoosiers.
Really?
Yeah.
It would be better?
It'd pick up 4 seconds.
No shit.